Selznick.
The new Rachmaninoff, only he didn't choke.
Call for help and your wife will die.
I'll give you all the money I have.
I don't want your money. I want you to play the most flawless concert of your life.
Tom, you have to skip the hotel and go straight to the auditorium, okay? It's about time you got back on stage. I love you.
Tom, you're alive. That's the great Tom Selznick.
Tom Selznick, the new Rachmaninoff. If only he didn't choke.
Hey. Very funny.
I'm gonna screw up, Norman. I know it.
Congratulations. The whole place is packed.
Ladies and gentlemen, Tom Selznick.
Get back on stage. Now you know the meaning of stage fright. Call for help, and I will hear it. Get a guard involved, I will know it. If you do any of these things, your wife will die. Play a wrong note, and you will die.
I'll give you all the money I have.
I don't want your money.
Then what?
I want you to play the most flawless concert of your life. Got your attention? Don't disappoint me, Tom.